Welcome to Phone Transformer, your guide to mastering your mobile. Today, we're diving into how to delete old chats on WhatsApp on both sides. If you find this video helpful, remember to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and launch WhatsApp. Make sure you are logging into your correct account. Step 2. Now, navigate to the chat thread with the person whose messages you wish to delete. Step 3. Now, press and hold the specific message you want to delete. Step 4. Look towards the top of your screen for a trashcan icon, which is the delete button. Step 5. Tap on this delete icon, and a menu will pop up. Here, select delete for everyone to ensure the message disappears from both sides of the chat. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an old chat on WhatsApp for both you and the recipient. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.